This is the Angkor Wat Buddha. Let's see the Buddha from 16th century. This one, see the robe, see the flower. It's amazing flower. Look, it's Buddha. And the face, Buddha. Look at the Buddha lip. Look at that. It's amazing Buddha. Yes, big ear. Nose. Smiling Buddhas. And use the Buddha plants. It's amazing Buddha plants. This is another Buddha. It's a different. From this one Buddha. Some Buddha sitting on the flower. Some Buddha singing her snakes. This one. You can see the snake. It's Buddha no head. The snake, Buddha, meditation Buddha. And some Buddha, just only for the single Buddha. This is a special single Buddha. This is how Buddha sitting on the stone without protection of snake. Just only Buddha sitting on the stone. See the color. This is a colored sandstone. This was painted color from the 16th century. See his face, Buddha. Yes, all the Buddhas have different face because in the temple of Angkor Wat, they have 1,000 Buddha. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this gallery. It's amazing gallery. This is Buddha gallery. This is second gallery. And look at that. You can see this is the last one to the Bagan or the King Paradise. Look at that. You see the King Paradise. This one. Look at it. Look at that. The stairway. It's not hard to climb to the King Paradise.